Let's talk about Sellfy. Now, before I get started, I want to give you a little summary of the platform. You can start with a 14-day free trial of the platform, but remember that you cannot really create checkout on the free trial plan, which means you cannot really use the checkout pages or products you create on the free trial plan. So make sure you know that before you decide to start with the free trial. Of course, if you're interested in the free trial, you will find a link in the description to get started with the trial. Let's talk about pricing. So there are three pricing plans, and if you look at the monthly plan, the starter is $29 a month. Now, when you look at this, you might think, this is not really cheap, or if you're used to more expensive platforms like Kajabi or something, you might think this is cheap. But the one thing that I really love about this platform is The one thing that I really love about this platform is the zero transaction fee. Most other platforms charge you a commission or a transaction fee if you are using that platform. For example, PayHip is a free platform, but they'll charge you 5% of the transaction fee if you're on the free plan. And also, you can sell a lot of different kinds of products using Sellfy, and they have no limit on the number of products you can sell on the starter plan. The only difference, the big differences between the starter plan and the other plans is the this one, which is the business plan. You can add upsells to your checkout. So if someone buys a product from you, on the thank you page, you can actually upsell them a different product. You can have cart abandonment emails. So if someone adds product to their cart but does not end up buying it, you can send them emails. You can remove Sellfy branding. There's free migration available, so they can help you with that. And then you also get 10,000 email credits, which means you can send an additional of 10,000 emails. And of course, you can also see there's a limit to the number of sales you can have in a year on the different plans. So if you're just getting started, starter plan is great. It is $29 a month, but there is zero transaction fee. So if you are within, the sales limit, you can still just pay $29 a month and use this platform. And if you pay for it yearly, you're actually saving like a lot of money. I think it's about, $120 you're saving on the yearly plan. So we'll talk more about the features when I show you how the platform looks like, but just a little insight into what features are available. So you can sell products and subscriptions. So digital products, print on demand, subscriptions, physical products, and even video streaming. So basically, if you're offering videos as a paid platform, you can do this through Sellfy as well. You can create a storefront. You can have like a shopping cart. They have a feature for automated translation. You can connect your own domain. You can add customization. There are marketing features as well. So discount codes, email marketing. You can add pixels. So if you want to run Facebook ads, you can do that. Would be helpful to have a Facebook pixel so you know what kind of numbers you're looking at the data. And then of course upselling on a higher paid plan. And then you can also embed the buttons or the products you create in Sellfy. You can embed those buttons on your own website, or you can create product cards. You can also have YouTube end screens and cards, which I actually haven't seen on any other platform. So this is a great feature. And then again, for payments, you can do PayPal, Stripe. You can also limit downloads. So if someone buys a product from you, like it's an ebook, you could limit the download to 3 times. And you can also do PDF stamping, which means no one can, buy a PDF from you and sell it as their own, because it'll be stamped with your branding. So let's talk about the platform a little more in detail. So this is the dashboard. I've just created an account. By the way, if you want to create an account, all you have to do is click on Start Free Trial. It'll ask you for a few details, and then there's like a two-step process. Then you just confirm your email address, you'll receive an email, and then you'll come to this dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Again, like I said, this is Sellfy in trial mode, so checkout is not currently available. If you want to start selling using Sellfy, you will have to upgrade the plan. So under dashboards, let's talk about products first. So you can see you can create digital products, print on demand, all of these things. And you can also create freebies, which means if you're looking to build your email list, you could actually offer something for free using Sellfy itself. So let's look at the creation process, and this process is going to be same across whether you're selling a digital product, a subscription, or a freebie. So you'll add the product file here. Let's say I'm offering a digital product in a weekend. This is an ebook that I'm offering for free. So I can add the product name. I can add the description here. This is an ebook which will help you to create your first digital product. And then I could add a file from my computer here. So right now I just have all videos here. Let's look at, okay, let's just add this one. It's just an image, but I'll just add it here just to show you. And then you can select a category, or you can also create a category. So I could just say this is freebies, and the slug would be freebies. And you can add an image here. So again, browse your computer. This is a recommended image size. So you can go to Canva, create an image with this size and add that here. And then all you have to do is save product. Now let's copy this link and look at how it looks like. So basically I haven't added an image, but this is how it look like. So you can click on checkout, and like this says checkout is not available because I haven't upgraded, but this is how the checkout page will look like. And then we can always go ahead and customize the checkout page and the product page. So this is also an embed button. If you want to embed this freebie on your website, you can do that using this. So let's look at editing this. I mean, of course, like other similar platforms, this is not going to be a very pretty looking sales page. If you want to do that, you should definitely check out my videos around Kajabi or ClickFunnels or anything of that sort. But we can, again, this is a much more affordable option, especially if you're starting from scratch and just want to put your products out there. So again, you could add your product description. You can also add images in your description. You can also add code in your description, so HTML, CSS. You can also add let's see if you can, yeah, you can add a video in your product preview. So you could add a sales video if it's a digital product. You could add a demo video if it is a digital product or subscription, right? So that is helpful. So that is the freebie that we created. Now let's look at orders. So under orders, you'll be able to see all of your orders. Of course, right now we don't have anything because we haven't sold anything. You'll also be able to see your unfulfilled orders. So for example, if someone, if you're doing print on demand or something, this could be helpful where you know what the shipping status of your order is. Under marketing, you have email marketing. So you can buy email credits. So you can see for 5,000 emails you have, it's $10 and so on and so forth. The business plan gives you 10,000 email credits, which is helpful. But you can definitely use this platform for email. You can also use coupons and discounts. So you can create a new coupon code. Let's say the coupon code is Shweta, and the name is 10 off and the coupon code is 10 off. So this is a percentage and it's 10%. And then you can add a start date and an expiration date and how many times you want the discount coupon to be used, and then just create discount. So that's easy to do. Similarly, you could create a sale. The next one is cart abandonment. So again, if someone's added your product to their cart but hasn't bought it yet, you can actually set up cart abandonment emails here. Upselling, again, this is available on the business plan, so you can add upsells to your products so that when someone buys something, you give them an option to buy something else from you. So there are different apps that you can integrate your platform with. So Zapier is a good one. Zapier is basically a platform that helps you connect different tools and online platforms in an easier way. They also have an option to connect Facebook chat, Pixel, all of these things, right? Which is good. Let's look at overview. So this is basically your analytics, your subscriptions and customers. So everyone who is a part of your subscriptions will be, visible here. Your customers, analytics data, which is helpful to see, how many visits you have and stuff like that, what the top products are, the top traffic sources. All of these are good, things to know. Top countries, all of this is great. Next, let's look at store settings. So under customization, you'll have like general settings here. So you could add your custom domain. Under payment settings, you'll connect Stripe or PayPal. In embed options, you could choose what kind of embed option you want, and then you could choose the product, and you would get the code here, so that then you can embed this on your website. You can create product categories here. So I created this freebies one. You can also add new categories right here. You can create or edit templates here. So when someone buys something from you, they'll get the purchase confirmation email. You can make that email more pretty and according to your branding by editing it right here. Then you have taxes. If you want your audience to pay you a tax for what they're buying from you, you can add that here. And invoice settings is basically when someone pays you for a product, what kind of invoice they're getting, right? So you could add your company name, your address, and everything here. And also, if you're offering a refund or something, that could be added here. So it's a pretty intuitive platform. It's good to use. Let's talk a little about, selling maybe subscriptions. So if you're selling a subscription, which means it's recurring billing, right? So you can, again, add product files. Generally with subscription, you might want to send them a link to a Facebook group if that is where you're running your membership subscription, or maybe a link to like a membership you're hosting on a different platform. Like for example, if your membership is on Kajabi or MemberVault, you could use that here. But again, if you're using those platforms, you might have your sales page on that platform as well. You could also have your membership videos inside a Google Drive, and you could share a link to that. So whatever works for you, right? So it's the same way. And the other thing is, we don't have the checkout available right now, but when you upgrade and when you do have the checkout available, you can also customize your checkout page. So right now the checkout page looks like this, but again, when you upgrade and get on a paid plan, you can kind of customize the colors. You can add your logo, and you can make sure you have the links you want on the menu. You could add your Instagram link or your Facebook group link and stuff like that. So I hope that makes sense. So it looks like a good platform. There's multiple things you can sell on this platform. The one thing is they have a free trial, but you can't really use the platform on the free trial. You can, just look around, create things, and once you're ready, you'll have to upgrade in order to start getting paid for your products. very comparable to PayHip. PayHip probably has a little less features, but definitely much more affordable. If you're just starting out, you can start for free, and then you pay a 5% transaction fee on every sale. And then as you move up the plans, if you get on a paid plan, the amount of transaction fee reduces and stuff. So totally depends on your business needs. I would definitely advise that you check out this platform and see if it works for your business. And if you have any questions about this particular platform or any other platform that you can use to sell your digital products and services, let me know in the comments below, and I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you so much. And again, if you're interested in more such videos around tutorials and reviews of marketing tools, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.